Hello, Professor Nikita. My name is Guillermo Cosson. I am a student of Environmental Sciences at the University of the People, and this is the presentation that I have prepared for this week's assignment. Today, I'm excited to share a focused look at environmental challenges and solutions in Munich, Germany, offering a global perspective. We're going to explore climate change, air pollution, waste management, and the importance of ozone protection, all while debunking myths that cloud public understanding. So let's get started. First off, we have our agenda. This is our roadmap. We'll cover how climate change impacts Munich, identify key air pollutants, discuss waste management role in sustainability, debunk 2 climate change myths, and highlight ozone protection. My goal is to show how Munich is tackling these issues and try to inspire action. Climate change in Munich. Munich is feeling the effects of climate change. Average temperatures have risen by about 1.5 degrees Celsius since the 1980s, according to the German weather data. Heat waves like the one in 2019 strained public health, while floods along the Isar River, such as the one in 2013, threaten infrastructure. Climate change solutions. Munich is fighting back with its climate action plan, aiming for an 80% CO2 reduction by 2030. Think solar panels on public buildings and bike-friendly streets. And a cool fact is that 80% of households in Munich own bicycles. Globally, the Paris Agreement pushes for a 1.5 degrees Celsius limit, with renewables like wind and solar leading the way. Next up, we have air pollution. Munich's main culprits are particulate matter, also known as PM2.5, from vehicle emissions and construction. Also, nitrogen dioxide from diesel cars. Traffic on the Middle Ring is a major source of these pollutants. Impacts of air pollution. These pollutants harm ecosystems, reducing plant growth in places like the English Garden and cause health issues. And Germany sadly sees about 7,000 premature deaths yearly from air pollution, according to the European Environment Agency. Air pollution solutions. Munich solutions include a low emission zone to limit high pollution vehicles and a robust public transport system, like the U1, to cut car use. Globally, stricter emission standards, like the Euro 6, help as well. Importance of waste management. Waste management is key to sustainability because it cuts methane emissions from landfills and conserves resources. Actually, Munich generates around 600,000 tons of waste yearly, but recycles 50% of it, according to the city's waste authority. Munich waste management. In Munich, organic waste becomes biogas, and incineration produces energy that fuels businesses and households. Waste management improvements. Plastic waste, it is still a challenge. My proposal would be better public education on recycling, expanding composting, and a deposit system for plastics that builds on Germany's current FAN model. This can help boost Munich's circular economy. Now we're going to tackle 2 climate change myths. The first one is that some say that climate change is just a natural cycle, which is wrong. IPCC data shows human CO2 emissions drive today's warming. This myth delays very urgent action. The second myth is that people claim renewables are just too expensive, which is also not true. Solar and wind costs dropped 70 to 80% since 2010 per the IRENA. Munich renewable investments prove they work. This myth is slow progress, so spreading facts is crucial to its advancement. Next up, we have ozone layer protection. Finally, the ozone layer. It shields us from UV radiation, protecting ecosystem and preventing skin cancers. CFCs, now banned under the Montreal Protocol, once depleted it. Ocean recovery supports climate stability and Munich benefits from these global efforts. Finally, we have our conclusion. In summary, Munich faces climate change, pollution, and waste challenges, but leads with bold solutions like renewable energy, public transport, and recycling. Globally, agreements like the Paris Accord and Montreal Protocol drive progress. But let's all try to make a difference and improve the situation. Thank you. This is the reference page, and that is the end of our presentation. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.